baby elephant, happy as can be. Hello, hello, come and see a baby elephant, happy as can be. Big blue eyes and ears so wide, come along for a joyful ride. Swing your trunk, stomp your feet, clap your hands to the jungle beat. Round and round, 1, 2, 3, dance with baby elephant and me. Baby elephant wakes today, smiling as he starts to play. Morning sunshine, birds all sing, what a happy day we'll bring. Splash, splash in the pond so blue, water sparkles like morning dew. Little fish swim all around, making happy splashing sounds. Butterflies in red and gold, flying high so brave and bold. Baby elephant laughs hell loud, watching colorful wings all glow. Monkey swings from tree to tree, come and play, he calls with glee. Baby elephant laughs out loud, trumpets proudly, happy and proud. Pouchivav says, good morning friend, let's explore from end to end. Walking slowly side by side, on a joyful jungle ride. Zebra dances in the sun, running races just for fun. Baby elephant joins the game, everyone laughs all the same. Tiny birds begin to sing, music makes the forest ring. Baby elephant whirls around, dancing to the happy sound. Pretty flowers bloom today, pink and yellow light the way. Baby elephant smells each one, laughing underneath the sun. Rain begins to softly fall, raindrops dance on leaves so small. Splashing puddles jump with cheer, happy moments everywhere. Now the stars shine big and bright, moon says have a sweet good night. Mama gives a gentle hug,